Check out the Swift. She looks good now. Colour match isn't horrid. Got to redo the scallops on the mirrors, or scalps, whatever they're called. Resprayed that section there alone. The blend actually went really good actually. I don't need to really buff nothing there. That's good. A little bit of a run there where the tape, the clear actually ran off the tape. But the roof came up damn good, that is. The rest of the car presents really good. I'll just satin black these bits, tidy them up. Apart from that, she only really needs a bit of a detail and maybe get the aircon regassed. And off she goes. Well, we'll try and see what we get for it at least. Wouldn't mind doing something about the wheel caps. Might just search and see if I can find some second handies or just go buy. I'm really not a big fan of those ones from Super Cheap. I think they're tacky. Like when you see those pretend mag wheel ones, I think they actually look quite nice on it though. So I might just see if I can find a second hand set actually in good condition. And still got about another week or so before I'm actually ready to probably sell it.